Welcome to Auto Drive, your trusted destination for the latest car reviews, deep dives into new models, and everything auto enthusiasts love. In today's video, we're diving into the much-anticipated 2026 Volkswagen Corrado, a modern revival of the iconic performance coupe. If you're passionate about cars, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss an update from Auto Drive. The 2026 Corrado combines retro charm with cutting-edge technology. Under the hood, it offers a range of powertrains including a turbocharged 4-cylinder and a more powerful V6 option. Depending on the trim, horsepower ranges from 250 to over 350, delivering torque that makes every drive thrilling. Transmission options include a 6-speed manual for purists and a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic for smoother, quicker shifts. The Corrado comes with front-wheel drive as standard, while higher trims offer an all-wheel drive system to improve handling and grip. Its suspension is sport-tuned, with an independent setup and adaptive dampers that respond to road conditions. The steering is precise thanks to a modern rack and pinion system, giving you a confident feel on the road or the track. Inside, you'll find seating for 4, with high-grade materials like leather and suede depending on the trim level. Features like heated and cooled seats, digital cockpit, ambient lighting, and dual-zone climate control elevate comfort. The exterior retains its signature coupe silhouette, now enhanced with LED matrix headlights and 19-inch alloy wheels. Dimensions have been refined to improve aerodynamics and give the car a more aggressive stance. Braking is handled by large ventilated disc brakes with ABS and electronic brake force distribution. Safety features include multiple airbags, electronic stability control, and advanced driver assist systems such as lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control. For infotainment, the 2026 Corrado includes a touchscreen system with integrated navigation, smartphone connectivity, premium audio, and voice control. Additional conveniences like cruise control, keyless entry, power windows, and an optional panoramic sunroof add to the appeal. Special editions feature performance packages, unique color schemes, and sport exhausts. These upgrades, along with the new tech and premium interior touches, make the 2026 Corrado a standout in the modern coupe segment. Stay with us till the end of the video to get a full breakdown of trims, pricing, and which model is right for you. And before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Drive for more exciting car content that keeps you ahead of the curve.